Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to prime your lids. I'm using a concealer, of course. You want to blend that out all over the lid. Then I'm just going to set the base with a translucent powder to make sure everything stays put. Then on the inner corner, I'm just going to add some dimension using a lighter brown shadow. Next, to mark out the shape of what I want, I'm going to use a black liquid lipstick and also a black eyeshadow pencil, and that'll kind of let me know what I'm going to get before I actually commit to it. So first I'm tracing out the shape that I want, and I'm going back over it with the black liquid lipstick, and this creamy base is just going to help the shadow to stick. So to set that base, I'm just going to grab a dark blue shadow like this one, and I'm going to pat that on. Next, I'm going to get a lighter blue shadow and then fill in the rest of that shape. So off camera, I went ahead and did my foundation and concealer, and then what I'm going to do next is set a lot of translucent powder underneath. That way when we add the glitter, if there's any fallout, we can easily sweep it away. Then I'm just going to clean up around the edges using a concealer just to make everything look really nice and precise. Then with some glitter glue, I'm going to fill in most of the shape, leaving out the outer third. Then on top of that, I'm just going to use this really pretty glitter and pat that on top. Next, with that lighter blue shadow that we used earlier, I'm just going to drag that down below the bottom lash line just to tie everything together. Then I'm going to tight line my waterline and also my upper lash line with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply some mascara to prepare for my falsies. Next, using a light brown shadow, I'm just going to use that to contour my nose just very lightly. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia bronzer and then just bronze up my face with that. And next is blush. You guys know how much I love blush. We're just going to blush up those cheeks and make them look really cute and pink. Next, I'm going to set my face and then follow with some highlight. I feel doing the setting spray first kind of helps the highlight to stick and look more vibrant, so I always do that first.
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Next, of course, is the lips. I'm going to use two lips today. I'm using first the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm, and then right on top of that, I'm going to use the Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. And then lately, I've liked filling in my beauty mark, so I'm just going to fill in my beauty mark with some light brown shadow. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This kind of become like a little tradition to do every year. So yeah, this is the 2020 color of the year, classic blue. If you guys have any other comments, please leave them down below. And of course, remember to follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!